Today I'm going to show you how to fix your refrigerator when this little piece of plastic falls off it. Okay? So yeah, this little piece of plastic, it goes up here, right? It's supposed to stay there, right? But it doesn't. It doesn't stay there. So this is what I'm going to do. So I've put some glue on here, on the little plastic thing, and now I'm attaching it to the refrigerator, right? now I'm gonna hold it into place for a second. And that's how you fix the little plastic thing that falls off your refrigerator.